Hi everyone, welcome back in sunny Spain. Welcome back in Spain. It is actually very windy here, so I hope you can hear me and don't have too much wind noise. I actually put a little mohawk on my camera today. Look at my little furry friend. Hee hee. So yeah, hopefully you can actually hear what I'm saying. The workout today consists of two movements. One is a run and two is the air squat. The workout is 5 rounds of 400-meter run and 50 air squats. You can scale the volume by either doing 3 rounds of 400-meter run and 50 air squats, or halving the workout in reps. So you do 200-meter run and 25 air squats for 5 rounds. If the air squats are a lot of volume for you, you can help yourself by using a bench. So whenever you come down in the squat, you lightly touch the bench and then go back up. It's gonna look like this. This could really help you, for example, if you suffer knee pain, or if you're hypermobile and you can't control the way down before going back up. I'm just gonna do a little bit of warming up for the run, and then loosen up my hips for the squats, and then I'm ready to go. walking. That's not good. That took me about 25 minutes, but obviously I do move the cameras around a little bit during my workout, so I think I maybe spent 20 to 30 seconds each round moving the cameras, so anywhere between 23-24 minutes I think I took. The first 3 rounds were actually really nice, and then I kind of wish that it was only 3 rounds to work out, because the last 2 rounds I really struggled on the run. I had to walk both rounds for a little bit. It's also mental for me with running. I find it very tough. I hope my little furry mohawk thingy worked. You can actually hear what I'm saying because it's very windy. I do hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did like it, please hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit that little bell next to it so you won't miss the next video. One last note, for next week's workouts, I'm gonna ask you to use a jumping rope. So if you don't have one yet, maybe you can purchase one or borrow one from someone, but just so that you can prepare for next week, you're gonna need a jump rope for that workout. I know I don't want to use any equipment during this workout, but sometimes it's nice to use a little bit, and a jump rope is actually a good thing to have. It's very small, you can bring it anywhere. I will give an alternative next week if you don't have a jump rope, but it would be a better workout if you do have one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.